I'm trying to see. That's a woodpecker! Couldn't be anything else. It's a hairy woodpecker. I think he's got the red on his head. I can't really see. From this angle he's kind of gray, but he's got dots all over his hindquarters. He keeps coming back. This time I'm going to wait it out. I wish I had something to fill in the gap. I don't have much of an editing program. We've yet to find any hummingbirds. I put that up a while ago. I've seen them around. I've seen them zipping around. This guy keeps coming back. He looks like the one time I saw, it was a downy woodpecker or something like that. Either downy or hairy. I can't really see if there's a crest on it. If it has a red head, then yeah. Oh, that's a chickadee. Okay, we know that guy. It's pouring rain out there, but the birds are still coming. I want to get a view of that other guy. You know, we're still getting mostly chickadees don't stay. They grab and go. Nuthatches are a little more picky. This guy stayed. They don't come to feeders. My God, I've seen them on the trunk of the cedar tree. I've seen I think it's called a downy woodpecker. It's really beautiful. They're not very big. They're not like those pileated guys that I took videos of. Huge birds. Next to an owl, biggest bird I ever saw in the wild. Just huge. And I want to see if that guy comes back. He's been coming and going. Oh, come on. I think it's a woodpecker. Well, it looks like it. They don't come to feeders. I'll have to look it up. Of course, now he won't come back. There he is. I think it would have a red head, though. I don't know. It has a sort of a crest on it. Beautiful. Look at the spots on his back. Quite a bit of gray. Gray bat. He sure is pecking. Wow. And he does. He has a little crest. I wonder if there's more than one of them. But if he were a woodpecker, he'd have a red head. I think. Look at that. Look at the claws on it, though. Is that what it is? No, they aren't claws. He stays there 10 minutes at a time. It's really quite something. Oh, no, he's flying away. He'll be back. I'm having to zoom very quickly. Chickadee. Chickadee's staying longer than usual, but the seeds are a little bit caked in there now. It's wet. Very handsome looking bird. They make a racket too. The chickadees are just constantly making a racket. I'm fascinated. I want to see what this guy is. Takes a lot of patience, you know. Just stand here. Of course, I'm indoors. I'm not out in the wet. It's got to the point I can stand 2 feet away from the feeder, and the nuthatches still come. They're not afraid at all. I've had chickadees eat out of my hand. It's been a long time. Come on, guy. Come on back. I gotta go have my coffee. Look who we've got here. Yeah. Maybe that's why they're not coming. Can I see a kitty face? Oh, I don't know. I doubt if a cat's keeping them away. One of them just came down. Oh, what that is? That's a chickadee. That's the other guy. The one that looks like a woodpecker, except I can't see any red. The other thing is I don't think they come to feeders. If so, then it's woodpecker season. Because I saw all those pileated ones. At least I think it was a family of pileated. So, oh, there's a nuthatch. Looked like there were some juveniles. They were screaming at their mother to be fed. I'm surprised it's so popular today. I don't think the rain bothers him one bit. It's not even raining hard. And guess who's losing interest a little bit? Losing interest a little bit? Not much going on out there. Actually, there's quite a bit going on out there.